This is the finished project, and when you visit a link like about page, you see the about page becomes bright and the rest are dark. So when you go to another page, maybe contact, the link is bright and the rest are dark. This is good for user experience because it tells the user which page they are on. Let's implement the same on our project. So here, if you try to go to another page, we are on about page, but the link is still dark and the home page is bright because it's hard coded. So when you go to your project, it is this active class that is making this possible to have this being bright. So if I try to remove it, I've removed the active class, save, then refresh, so it's no longer bright. So we want to include this class dynamically. We don't want to hard code it. So it's very simple. You just come here, then you use the eliminate HTTP request object. So you'll just come here and say request, then check if route is, and that will check for the route name. So if route is, and I've realized that we didn't give this a name here, so let's check what the name is for the home page, and the route name is welcome.index. So instead of going to /, let's use the route name. That will be route is welcome.index. I'll copy this, then I'll paste it here. So we are checking if route is welcome index, what do we want to do? So I'll use the ternary operator, and then I'll come here and say if that is true, give me the active class, and if that is false, so I'll use else, just do nothing. So when I save, I come here, I go to blog page. Notice that the home page is still dark because Laravel will come and check, is the route name welcome.index true? And of course it's not true because we are not on home page. So if it's not true, it will do nothing. Then if I try to go to home page, notice that now it is bright because Laravel will come and check, is the route name welcome.index true? Yes. So apply this class. So let's do the same for the rest of the other links. So I'll copy that, I'll come here, no, I'll copy from class, so I'll copy this, then come down here, paste it, and then here we are checking, is the route name blog.index? If it is true, apply the class. So I'll just say blog.index. If it is true, apply the class, else don't do anything. Do the same here, and here we are checking if the route name is about. Do the same here, and here we are checking if the route name is contact.index. Let's test that and see if it's working. Refresh. So I am on home page and it is bright. Go to blog page. Blog page becomes bright, the rest are dark. About page, when we are here, the about link is bright, the rest are dark. Contact page, it is bright and the rest are dark, and that is working well. So in the next video, let's shift gears, and now let's work on implementing authentication using Laravel Breeze. And as always, if this video has been of help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a comment and a like. Cheers.